Today we're checking out Apple Airtags. Woot woot! Picked up the Airtag 4-pack for $99 and had them engraved because it was free of charge, so why not? But keep in mind that this may delay the delivery date. They offer 3 different text styles, types of engravings, one just being symbol text, the other 2 being a letter inside a circle, and one with a solid background. As far as emojis go, they do have a limited selection, 31 to be exact. Apple uses a high-powered laser at the manufacturing facility for the engravings. They show up in this light gray color. The engravings we opted for were one with the word keys. So I actually left my keys at the park once, so this would have come in really handy if I could not find them. All right, so we also engraved VHG for VainSoftGames. This shows off the other text styles with a solid background. Then we had to get the smiley emoji. We also got, wait, let me show you this first. There you go. It's a really happy face. And then we also couldn't resist getting, the poop emoji, of course, For those times you lose your beep, hee. Oh, wait, did you see that one? Oh yeah, you guys saw this one already anyway. When we purchased the AirTags, we also purchased Belkin secure holders, one with a ring, key ring, and one with a strap. And they each come out to $12.95. If we bought one for each AirTag, each AirTag with a holder would come out to $38 each. So that's a little more pricey than our competitors, but not by much. Step number 1, you locate the Find My app on your iPhone or any compatible Apple device running at least iOS 14.5. The app should be pre-installed, but if you never used the Find My app before, you may have some setup to do. Step number 2, you pair the AirTag with your iPhone. All you have to do is bring the AirTag close to your iPhone and it should connect. AirTags do use Bluetooth, so make sure that's enabled at the moment. And then step 3, you follow the on-screen instructions to name your item. For example, you would name it My Keys or purse or whatever you would like to attach your AirTag to. Step 4, once your AirTag is paired, you should be able to see it under items in the app, where you'll be able to see the last known location or its current. Awesome. And then step number 5 is you, of course, attach the AirTag to whatever item you'd like to keep track of. So for instance, your keys or your wallet or your phone. When you do lose an item, your iPhone can use precision finding, which will show you the distance and direction to head in. Precision finding is only compatible with iPhone 11 and 12. You can also put your AirTags into lost mode, and when it's detected in the network, you'll automatically receive a notification on your iPhone or Apple Watch. If someone were to find your AirTags, you can set up the AirTags so when they tap it with the NFC-capable device, it'll show your contact info. Kind of like when you chip a pet. You can also ask Siri to find them for you, simply by asking, keys being the name of my AirTag. Then you can follow the sound. So when it comes to battery life, the battery should last you more than a year, and props to Apple for making it user replaceable. It'll alert you when it's time to replace it. AirTags are splash, water, and dust resistant, but I wouldn't go swimming with one. It's only IP67 rated, which allows for a maximum depth of 1 meter for up to 30 minutes. I've heard rumors they will be releasing an Android app for those that use Android. Also, during WWDC 2021, they noticed that AirPods will be getting AirTag-like features to help you locate them. Hopefully, it'll just be a software or firmware update and won't require buying a new AirPods. I would recommend these guys. I can't wait to use them myself, actually. I think I'd put them on my keys, for sure. My phone. I don't know about my wallet. They're a little big for that. So, I would appreciate, I think, if they made them smaller. That would be my one thing. The app, easy enough to use, but yeah, if they made these guys just a little smaller. But then again, we might lose them. So what do you think of AirTags? Do you plan on picking up one or maybe even 4? Is there anything you'd like us to test out? Let us know down in the comments, and make sure you click on that subscribe button. E3 is next week. Maybe we'll have a video covering it.